It involves tremendous growth. So when we say tremendous growth, it has a great impact of growth. That's it. Impact of growth from a single cell to an organism complete with brain and behavioral capabilities. So it has three stages, the apo, the germinal stage, embryonic stage, and fetal stage. Sa germinal stage, the conception occurs, zygote forms, blastocyst travels, the uterus implants, into uterine lining, hormonal changes begin. So, basically po, it is the conception, the implantation, and the transformation of placenta. The next one po is embryonic stage. So, in embryonic stage po, it is the formation of vital organs and systems. No po ako. Yan po ito po, dyan po nagda-transform sa stage na yan, dyan po nagda-transform itong mga vital organs and systems. So, isin po ang gusto mo po ng example of organs or systems. So, next naman po is the fetal stage. So, becomes fetal sex assigned hair, nails, eyelashes, grow limb, movement begins. So, in this stage, bodily growth continues, movement capability begins, and brain cells multiply age of viability. So, prenatal period is also defined as the gestational period. It is the progress before birth. The next one po is infancy. So, it is the life stage that spans from birth to around 2 years old. It is a time of rapid growth and change for children and families. So, it is the earliest stage in the child's development. When a baby is born, after 2 months, it can be referred to as a newborn. So, it is the time of extreme dependence on adults. And when psychological activities are just beginnings like language, symbolic thought. Symbolic thought po is cognitive ability to use symbols like words, images, and objects to represent something or represent ideas. Next is sensory motor coordination, like po si mga senses, five senses, and social learning. Now po, ang pisngi po kaya, pisngi ako eh. Hindi ako po siya hindi, may po siya hindi. Higit lang po hindi ang po. So, ang infancy na po is the earliest stage of child's life. So, when a baby is born, after 2 months, they can be referred to as a newborn. It is the time of extreme dependence on adults, and many psychological activities are just beginnings, like sa language po, sa symbolic thought, sensory motor coordination, and social learning. Next po is early childhood. It's a pivotal period of child development that begins before birth through age 8. So from pre-birth until starting school, it is a critical period in terms of child's development. Kasi po, nag-aano kasi po yung bonds sa parents nila, sa they start spending their time playing with their peers. So Next one is middle childhood, a stage where children move into expanding roles and environments. So the child is formally exposed to the larger world and its culture. The fundamental skills are the fundamental skills of reading, writing, and arithmetic are mastered. So, ikli po sa stage na ni na ano nila ang fundamental skills nila na ma-master na ito pag-surat, pagbasa, tapos ito pong sa pag-calculate. Achievements becomes a more central theme of child's growth and self-control increase. The developmental task of middle childhood is learning physical skills. Next po is building a wholesome attitude toward oneself. Learning to get along with age mates. Developing fundamental skills in reading, writing, and calculating. Tapos, concepts necessary for everyday living. The fifth one is adolescence. So it is a period of transition between childhood and adulthood. So begins with rapid physical changes, dramatic gains in height and weight, changes in body contour, and the development of sexual characteristics. So the thought is more logical, abstract, and idealistic. The thought is more logical, abstract, and idealistic. So the developmental task of adolescence is achieving mature relations with both sexes, developing masculine or learning masculine or feminine role, emotional independence of adults, and preparing for economic life. Next walk is
early adulthood. The period in the human which both physical and intellectual have been attained. Adulthood is a stage of life where individuals transition from adolescence to independence, exploring their career, relationship, and personal identity. Sa early adulthood po hindi po dahil ito individual na alay po dahil sa adolescent tapos kasi ito na po dahil na sa independence. Dito na po dahil na po kayo naghahanap po itang career tapos naghahanap po itang relationship. Tapos naisip ka na po dahil sa mga identities ka. Example po dahil going to college, starting a first job, moving out, particularly is out. These are big steps toward becoming independent. Dito po lang tayo na sisimula patungo sa independence. The development task of early adulthood is lifting a mate, learning to live with a partner, starting a family, rearing children, managing a home, and starting a occupation. And assuming civic responsibility. Middle adulthood is a time of transition and change. It is a period in which people become more independent and reliant on their partners. Middle adulthood is a stage of life where individuals have established their career and families and focus on consolidating their achievements, nurturing relationships, and preparing for the future. Dito daw po, ang isang individual po nag-establish po daw ng career, families, and naka-focus daw po ito sa pag-consolidate ng kanilang achievement, pagpapatatag ng kanilang relationship, and naghahanda daw po sila sa future. Ang example po nito, establishing career, raising a family, buying a home, this takes about stability, growth, and giving back. The development task of middle adulthood, helping teenage children to become happy and responsible, achieving adult social and civic responsibility, satisfactory career achievement, developing adult leisure time activities related to one's spouse person, accepting the physiological change of middle age, adjusting to aging level. Discuss age about stability, growth, and giving back. Next po, late adulthood. This is characterized by great change in ongoing personal development. Late adulthood is a stage of life where individuals reflect their experience, enjoy retirement, and focus on personal well-being, relationships, and passing on their wisdom and legacy. Example, retire from work, spending time with friends, pursuing hobbies and travel.